Welcome to Protagon Yachts. They're based in Athens and they have a rich history in boat building. And here they're launching a new 25-foot model. Yes, the new boat is available in two different deck configurations. Let me show you a little bit around these boats. The 25 Space features a fantastic deck layout. It has lots of space. It's got a big center console design with a massive heads inside. You have this wet bar as well, which is available on both models. Your helm station is really good. You've got really good ergonomics, plenty of space to move around, which I like. Nicely designed, they've got this side bolster which really protects your kidneys at speed. For those that love water sports, the back of the Protagon 25 is great. The stern has two really decent bathing platforms, so access into the water is really easy. There's a nice little grab rail on either side to help you up out of the water, as well as a ladder that's stowed away. For those that are obviously spending their full day out on the water, a heads is really necessary. And on this 25, they've got loads of space inside. There's actually a proper shower in there as well. So for all the family getting changed into water sports gear or going for a swim, this is a perfect setup. It's got loads of storage, and obviously you've got a toilet in there as well. Families are obviously really centered around safety at sea. And these guys have thought about it quite cleverly by making sure that their cockpit is really nice and deep. The mouldings have got a good height to them, so the bulwarks here are nice and high up on your hip, but for children, they're going to be obviously at the right height to be well protected. For fishing and things like that, or putting out fenders, you've got nice depth here, you've got good grab rails all the way through. This is really neat. You join me on the Sundeck version of the 25. Now, aft of the steering wheel, it's pretty much the same layout. All the features you see here are available on the other model too. This one has a rear-facing bench seat rather than the breakfast bar, but it also has that same wraparound sofa arrangement with the table displayed that folds out as well. So it's perfect for picnics at anchor. You've also got some nice little cup holders in here as well. Ample storage below, which is really nice to see. Again, that same depth all the way through. Forward of the helm seats, that's where things start to change. For those that want nights away on board, then this is going to be the option for you. You still have those great ergonomics of feeling really comfortable at the helm position, and you've got the multifunctional display space as well. But this one has an enclosed foredeck, which allows you to be able to have a little V-berth forward and a toilet underneath some wooden carpentry. That allows you that nice little space to be able to get a night or two away, but really maximize the use of this 25. What I really like is this good grab rail all the way around the windscreen. This is a sign of a proper boat, good for offshore use. They've thought about those in their ergonomics. And also forward, there's a really good sun pad. So that is Protagon and the new 25. I've been really impressed with the two different deck layouts. They're very Nordic and Scandinavian in their design, but paired with that Greek manufacturing facility, they have different deck layouts to suit your boating needs.